Full forecast update on JSU TV. I'm meteorologist Clarence Ponsler. From yesterday, we've had a little bit of showery weather at times, but that low pressure is pushing eastward now across the nation. We have a deepening low pressure system across the northern Rockies, but let's get through this regional satellite and radar first. You can see that was yesterday. Don't panic too much. That low pressure is continuing its eastward trek, maybe a weak cold front just to the north. Low pressure system is developing, however, across the Rockies and heading into the northern plains. We call this a Colorado low, where that low pressure system begins to really develop near or at Colorado and trekking northeastward, producing a huge wind maker. And if it's cold enough, it's going to produce some blizzard-like conditions. So any travel plans to, let's say, Cheyenne, Wyoming, Rapid City, South Dakota, parts of Nebraska, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, even Minneapolis, Minnesota, they could get some blizzard-like conditions. So there could be major airport delays and even a little bit towards the south into parts of northern Kansas. Perhaps some severe weather with hail and damaging winds, maybe some isolated tornadoes. And you can see why. Look at the temperature gradients. 30s and 40s to the north in the northern plains, where they can experience some blizzard-like conditions, but nice and warm towards the south. Generally 60s, 70s, even 80s. And for us, we'll be in that 80-degree temperature range. 85 with clearing skies eventually here in Jackson, with a south wind at 3 to 7 miles per hour. So if you choose to stay in central Mississippi, you're in for a nice warm treat throughout much of your Wednesday, as we see plenty of sunshine, mid-80s throughout the afternoon and early evening. But we do see clouds on the increase as that system moves eastward. And when we get to the weekend, we'll see a cold front go through, and most importantly, some rain chances. Not too bad coverage-wise Friday, but Saturday it could be a near washout, 80% coverage, and then back to 40% coverage on Sunday. Highs in the lower 70s, and it may get down to the upper 40s Sunday night. That'll do it with your full forecast for JSU Television. I'm meteorologist Clarence Ponsler. Now send it back to you in the newsroom.